as consumers, we come into this field and we say, hey, price is the big thing. Price is the important thing.
Yep.
And after a few years in this field, you're starting to say, you know what? Price is not nearly as important as their car actually running when it gets done.
Absolutely.
And me eliminating any potential heartaches, taking anything out that I could potentially be blamed for later, or at least disclaiming it and saying, we should do this. You said no, so here's the other option we could do, but you chose this, right?
Yeah.
We deal with this all the time. We've got price shoppers calling in all the time, wanting to know how much it is to do front brakes, how much is it to do a water pump. And my big push is we can't give good pricing over the phone. It's just, you can't do it. We don't know what the condition of the vehicle is. We don't know what's really wrong with the vehicle. I've done lots of webinars and training and talked to coaches. The end user, the customer, they don't know what to ask. So all they default to is price. But when we start offering prices, then we're just competing on price. And that's kind of like you said, Lucas, we don't want to be the cheapest price in town. We want to do the best job for them.
Yep.
We want to make sure they don't have other issues. They don't have safety issues. They don't have, have to come back for warranty or other problems. So it's an education for the consumer. Yes, you may think you need a water pump, but come down here, let us check it out. Let's find out what's really going on. Then we can find out the total solution for you. It may not be a water pump, or if it is, like David said, you're probably going to need coolant and hoses and some other stuff to go along with that. So let's do the right repair so you're not coming back again next week for more work.